Hey again guys, so for today's video I have 5 new altcoin TAs for you. Charts look promising again, and with the right entries you can achieve from 8 to 50% profit. Let's begin. So the first coin we've got here is RVN BTC. RVN is now on its 4th pushback into resistance. 3 previous touches followed by a strong pushback into hourly resistance. Only once was the push strong enough to enter daily resistance at 385 sats. Target 1 we're looking to break into hourly just below 100-day MA at approximately 325-335 sats. 0.618 fib is still sitting at 355 sats, which can only be broken if T1 is hit first. Daily RSI is still on upward trend as well, another confirmation for a push-up. Once that is broken, look for T2 and a double top around 390-400 sats. Look for a bounce in the current support zone. The second coin we have here is NANO BTC. NANO recently reached the 0.818 fib line and was strongly rejected. We are still trending inside of what seems like an accumulation zone. We should see one more leg back down of the potential buy zone and the double bottom around 885 sats. Wait here for the breakdown and proper entry in the green support. We will target a bounce here and breakthrough of the 0.618 fib, with possible strength to hit the daily resistance near 1350 sats if BT dominance begins a slow relief down. The third coin is STRAT BTC. STRAT has retraced back to current upward trend line. Some accumulation is forming here, which is below the 50 and 100 MA. 2 weeks have tried to break down and were failed. This shows strength. Bulls looking for another run to 415-420 sats. Possibility for a break and stronger push to 485 overhead resistance. The fourth coin is ADA BTC. ADA is slowly retracing back into the entry zone as predicted, sitting just around 445-450 sats. Look for one more small wave down for possible entry. Again, we stated probable entry for 420-440 sats, which for this area for a hold before moving forward with entry. ADA is still well below the 50 and 100 MA, but look for relief bounce back to both points. We'll update everyone again when zone has been reached and confirmed. And the last coin for today is HOT BTC. So HOT has finally retraced back into the final support zone at 7-8 sats. This has been a long time support since August 2018. Looks like some accumulation pattern is forming inside the zone. Possible entry for a nice long break to daily resistance at 15 sats. Expected a small retrace here, possible for a double bottom, before another leg up to major resistance at 17-19 sat. Volume was in strong downward trend and has finally broken out and up just a slight bit. This shows some form of confidence between buyers in the current zone. And this is it for today, guys. So once again, now you've got everything you need to know to start making those amazing trades. If you found this video useful, share it on your social media, and I will be back with you tomorrow with more news, analysis, and those scary, accurate altcoin predictions. If you want to become a VIP member, receive ready-to-trade signals, make money like a real crypto trader, and finally be able to quit that 9-to-5 job with only one message to @Altchica on Telegram, I will make that possible for you. I'm Alex, and this is Altchica.